Are you struggling to debug your Instant app in Android Studio? It can be incredibly frustrating when breakpoints just don't seem to work. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. Debugging can feel like a maze, especially when your breakpoints are being ignored. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Instant apps. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why does the debugger ignore breakpoints in my main activities onCreate method?" They tried both the debug and attach debugger options, but still faced issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be happening here? Instant apps have a unique life cycle and debugging behavior that can sometimes lead to unexpected results. Understanding this will help us troubleshoot effectively. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could change how you debug your Instant apps forever. To begin troubleshooting the issue with breakpoints in the main activities onCreate method, the user should ensure that they are using the correct build variant. Instant apps require a specific build configuration. Next, the user should confirm that the debugger is properly attached to the Instant app process. This can be done by using the debug option instead of attach debugger to Android process. After confirming the debugger is attached, the user should check if the breakpoints are set correctly. They should ensure that the breakpoints are active and not disabled. If the breakpoints are still being ignored, the user should consider adding logging statements in the onCreate method. This can help determine if the method is being executed at all. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to clean and rebuild the project. This can resolve any lingering issues with the build process. Fun fact, did you know that debugging is often considered an art form? It requires patience, creativity, and sometimes a little bit of luck. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced similar debugging issues with Instant apps. They encountered messages like, "Waiting for application to start debug server," and could not connect to remote process, aborting debug session. They resolved this by using the Attach to Process option from the Run menu in Android Studio. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always keep your Android Studio updated. New updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can enhance your debugging experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to debug your Instant app more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more advanced debugging techniques.